this video, we will show how to replace the meter cable. Using either a crosshead screwdriver or nut driver, remove the two screws that are holding the power head's backplate in position and then remove the backplate and set it aside. Next, detach the meter cable tip from the bypass valve by pushing up from underneath and then lift the meter cable tip out of the way. Using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen the two tiny screws located on both sides of the power head's front display cover. Then remove the cover away from the power head assembly while keeping in mind that there's a wire harness that connects the front display circuit board to the main circuit board. Carefully detach the wire harness away from the multi-pin connector on the main circuit board. Next step is to carefully disconnect the multi-pin connector located in the upper left corner, which is the meter cable connection. Then pull the meter cable connector to the back side of the power head housing. Using pliers, pinch and push the strain relief down through the housing's hole and then slide it down the cable, open up the strain relief, and set it aside. Then remove the meter cable. Now place the replacement meter cable connector up through the housing's hole and then feed it through the hole located in the upper right corner of the housing and connect it to the main board. While pushing it into place, be aware that there's only one way that the multi-pin connectors will properly align with each other. Wrap the strain relief around both the power cord and meter cable and push it back up into position. Then place the back plate into place and secure with the two screws. Next, place the meter cable tip back into its position. Then connect the wire harness to the display board's multi-pin connector, and again, be aware that there's only one way that the connections will properly line with each other while pushing it into place. And finally, use the crosshead screwdriver to tighten the two tiny screws securing the front cover back into position. You have now successfully replaced the meter cable.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.